Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we have some nail mail. My stepmom gave me this Azure Beauty dip powder kit. Honestly, I'm the one who talked her into buying it, but she um, does not do her nails anymore. Well, she doesn't have the time to do her nails at home. So therefore she gave them to me. So this kit comes with four different dip powders, the dip base, activator, and top coat. It says gel top coat, but it's not gel, it's a normal top coat. And two additional brushes along with a little plastic container to do like a Frenchie. And yeah, let's get to swatching. These colors are actually very beautiful. Um, and shockingly, they're actually a dark skin girl friendly. So first we're going to do number 61. And she used, I think it's number 67 or 354, one of those two. So that is why it will not have a cover over it. Um, so I'm just taking a cuticle stick and stirring it up just so that way everything can be evenly distributed. And I'm taking me a cupcake liner and so that way it can catch the residual fallout. Um, so me personally, I do not use the dip liquids that come in the kit, but I'm just using them for the purposes of this video so that way y'all can see how it works. Because I use my Revel dip powder, my Revel dip kit, but I will say the base or the gel base, well, they call it gel base, but the base, um, is very thick. So I do actually like that. I do like that it's very thick, but and a little bit goes a long way. So that is great. And that's the second, now I'm doing the second coat of, I think it's number 61. And these things are filled to the brim, honey. Like, so therefore that you will need a cupcake liner. And that is the second dip. And the brush comes in handy. It's actually like a really big fluffy brush. And yeah, that brush, it actually does dust off very well. So now I'm just putting the activator on and I'm putting the swatch stick to the side. And you got to get the rest of the powder because we ain't losing the money over here, sweetheart. So now we're going to go to number, I think it's 67. I did shake it just so I could try and like level it out because once you take that plastic cover off, it just goes everywhere. So that first one was like a really, really light pink color. I I won't say that that's dark skin girl friendly, but I feel like if you're light skin, you could get away with it. But it's okay. It's like a bubblegum pink. Now we're going to this gray color. This gray color is very cute. I was shocked that I actually like this color for one, because usually I don't really care too much for gray, but that is with one coat, and I'm just making sure it has soaked up all of that dip base, and now I'm going in for a second coat. And honestly, one coat actually did good, but to see the true color, you got to do two coats. And oh, this gray was actually really nice. It was more like a cool tone gray. So like the first two colors, I would say they ran on like the cooler side instead of like the warmer side. But I do feel like you could get away with wearing this. Like if you're a dark skinned girly, I feel like you could get away with wearing this color, especially like if you put a design on it. I did do a design on it, and well, not on this one, but I did do a design with this gray dip base, which that video will come out later. And I just put the activator on and I'm letting it sit while I'm going on to my next swatch. So I will say if you do decide to use these, and by the time you do like all 10 of your fingers and come back to the first finger, it should definitely be dry. All right, so now we are on dip number 105. Um, it like I said, my stepmom gave this to me, so I'm pretty sure she opened it and she was trying to figure out if she was gonna use it. But this wasn't the color that she used because she only used this kit one time. So now we're on to number 105, and I will say this is like a mauve pink. So this color is super cute. When I tell you this color is dark skin girl friendly, yes, ma'am. Like this is the one. This is one of the ones where if you want to do like a Frenchie, like just do like one full coat of this, and then you can do like a Frenchie, and that could be like a natural nail bed color. So yes to this color. And like I said, this it is packed to the brim. Like when I stick the swatch stick in there, it falls out. Like there's nowhere for it to go. And I'm just dusting it off, and look at that color. Oh my goodness, that color is gorgeous. And like I said, dark skin girl friendly. If you want to use this as like a base color for like a basic French tip, then yes, by all means, do it, honey. Do it. And lastly, we have number 354. Now, this is the one that my stepmom did use, and so that's why it's not filled and it was actually opened. But like I said, she only used it one time, and look at how much is still in there. Like, but she used it on her natural nails. She didn't have artificial nails on. So, and her nails isn't that long. So, she didn't use that much. But this color, now this one is definitely like a deep mauve, like almost leaning like a grape color, but it is still dark skin girl friendly for if you are trying to do like a Frenchie, or if you want to use this as a base. Like maybe, like I said, one coat would work fine, but if you do two coats, you can just use this as just a nail design, and I mean, just as like a full cover nail, and you are a-okay. Like honestly, all of these can be used as full cover nails, especially the gray, the last one that I did, and this one. The bubblegum pink, I feel like that one, if anything, it needs to be like an accent nail. Like, oh my gosh, look at the color on that swatch. That color is gorgeous. So the activator works really well. I'm a person who like to super duper saturate my nails with the activator to make sure that it's getting all up in the nooks and crevices and everything. So yes. Um, Now I'm just checking to make sure that the nails have dried, which they definitely did. And now I'm using the gel top, air quotes there, because it is not gel, it's just a really thick top coat. And so my initial putting it on initially, I just do three quick swatches. Usually I do clean off the brush before I put it back in the bottle, but like I said, I'm not using these liquids anymore. So I really didn't care if the brush hardened up or not. But shockingly, the brush did not harden up. And if your brush do ever harden up, it does. This kit does give you two additional brushes. So I did just do like three initial swipes of the full coat, I mean, of the top coat, just so I can get it up there. Um, it does say that it should dry in like 60 seconds, but no, that was not dry in 60 seconds. I think I waited anywhere between 3 and 5. I think like that first top coat, I did wait 3 minutes and it was dry. And then so the second like top coat layer that I did wait 5 minutes because like that was a more in-depth top coat. Like I got everywhere, and I just wanted to make sure that everything was glossy because these colors are super duper cute. So yes, go out and get it for Christmas is right around the corner. So yes, get it. I think normal price is $15.99 right now. And with $15.99 you get four beautiful colors. And that top coat, even though it says gel, it is not gel. It's actually just a very thick top coat. And shockingly, that top coat was really nice. And you air dry it, and look at those colors. Oh my goodness. Those colors are gorgeous. run, don't walk to Amazon. And yes, get these dip powders. They are gorgeous. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.